Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to World Class Knowledge by LM. Here in this video I'm going to teach you how you can improve your English language skills. Here is our best formula that may help you to improve your English language and also make you a better English speaker and also an English writer. So let's get started. As we know, English is a global language, and if someone is really interested to learn English, it can be learned easily by following the way I'm going to describe. There are mainly 5 components of English language, and you have to practice all of them in order to become fluent in English. These 5 components are listening, speaking, reading, writing, and thinking. The first one is listening. Listening is art, and if you are master in it, surely you are going to be a great speaker. A good listener is always a good speaker. So listen English every day, at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. The second component of English language is speaking. We must talk every day in English in order to achieve fluency. So many people are afraid to speak because they are shy. What other people will think if I will make mistakes. Mistakes are very common. So don't worry about mistakes. Just try to express yourself. In the beginning, everybody do mistakes. And always try to make new friends who are willing to improve their English as practice with them as much as possible. The third component is reading. Reading is also an art. It is not necessarily if we will read a lot, we will improve faster. If we read 10 pages but you can't learn something new, it's better to read 2 pages and read carefully. And do not try to remember, try to understand. Once you understand them, you don't need to remember. The fourth component is writing. In reading part, you read 2 pages. You have to take 8 to 12 correct grammatical sentences from those 2 pages and you have to write down in your notebook. And read them frequently. Try to remember whole sentences rather than individual word meaning, because if you knew complete sentence, then you can easily speak English and can speak it very quickly. The fifth and last component of English language is thinking. Thinking is very important part of spoken English because whatever you can think, you can speak. So make a habit to think in English. Everything takes time. In the beginning it will be difficult, but when you will practice and practice, it will be a part of your memory, and once it becomes your habit, then English will become naturally from your mouth. If you think you can do it, surely you can. Believe in yourself. All power is within you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and like this video. If you have any question, do let me know in comment section.